Howdy folks, how's it going? Greetings and good morning from Venice Beach, California. I am here in my hostel. It is the Same Sun hostel. It is $34 per night for a bunk bed. As you can see, nobody else in here at the moment. Most people have checked out for the day. I'm staying here for a couple of days, so I'll be getting a few different videos of Venice Beach. So in this video then I thought that I would show how much things cost in California in general, just give you a little taste of both the expenses of things as well as the area here. Of course, Venice Beach is just kind of the ultra hip, cool beach location. As you will see, this hostel is in a great spot right next to the beach and right next to the, well, I'd say boardwalk, but there aren't boards. It's just like a concrete walkway along the beach and the storefronts there. So as I said, this hostel is $34. It includes a free breakfast. As you can see, it's got some nice little features. It has this little shelf thing and then your own personal plug-in there and personal light. Free Wi-Fi, of course. That is not, particularly cheap, of course, 34 bucks for just a hostel, bunk bed, but it's the US, it's California. Hostels are, more expensive than even Europe or certainly South America or wherever. But anyways, that is the cost for accommodation and breakfast, so that's not so bad all considering. So going to head out here and show you what other things cost. Here we go. Thank you. Pretty killer day. Alright, so I'm heading to catch a bus and head for Hollywood. I just thought that I would head out there, check out the scene. Definitely haven't been there in a long while, if ever, I don't know. So I'm here to catch the 7:33 bus. Looks like that's it. Awesome. And then I will have to change to another bus that will then get me to Hollywood Boulevard.
Medicare fare is 75 cents.
So let's go to La Brea?
I do.
Yeah, cool. That was a good 30-minute bus ride or so. I now need to catch the 212 here heading to Hollywood Boulevard. All right, here we are, folks. The Hollywood Walk of Fame. Hollywood, California. The Hollywood Hills up there. A beautiful sunny winter's day, a little bit breezy. I'm gonna get over on the sunny side of the street over there, since it's a little bit chilly here, and just start cruising on down, check out the scene, and check out the stars. Here we go. The late great David Bowie. And if you want to drive a Lamborghini or whatever this is, no, it's a BMW. Costs you 89 bucks. Nice. Ferrari.
And the bus will pull up right here. I will get you
$5 store, souvenirs and more. How much is home reading?
Well, the palm reading is 20. I do an astrology reading for 5, which is done to your signature and sun sign. It shows your character, your personalities, a little past, a little present, a little future.
I see.
It's a good reading for $5. The palm reading is $20. That goes into home, family, friends, business, love, marriage, children, career, profession.
Gotcha.
It's a longer reading for $20.
And there's the famous Hollywood sign. I'm thinking of grabbing some. What kind of? Do you have any root beer by any chance?
Root beer now. Yeah, got a different soda. But
Okay, I take a look at what kind of drinks you got. And I'll get a. I guess I'll try this and the shawarma, and then see if I want something else after that.
Okay.
All right. little bit. I was getting too hot, took the shirt off, and getting a little too cold. So, is it a little bit colder now than normal because of the storm? Yeah, because it was windy and yeah. Are you from Los Angeles? Yeah. So is this like Jordanian or
Lebanese.
Lebanese?
Lebanon.
Cool.
I'm Lebanon.
Does it kind of originate from Lebanon, or it's all because it's kind of all Middle East, or?
All Middle East.
Yeah.
All Middle East.
Yeah.
I believe Turkish.
Barbecue.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Barbecue.
I see.
Yeah.
Cool.
It's good.
So it's perfect pita. Thank you, sir. So it was about $10 for a pita and that drink there. That pita was huge and really good. So, you know, it ain't cheap around here, but it works. Parking is $5. I'm set for today. Thanks a lot. A bus tour that takes you all around like the Hollywood Hills and to the Hollywood sign and Hollywood stars and stuff is $40, but they were offering it for half price for $20, but I'm not really in the mood. It's a 2-hour bus tour. All right, thanks a lot for watching, folks. I'm here waiting for the bus to head back to Venice. I hope this video has given you a general idea of how much things cost in Los Angeles, California. Take it easy.